Hi, this is Margaret Byrd and welcome to Color Quest. Today we are going to be looking at herbs. One of the amazing things about herbs is that if you plant them in your garden, they are typically very prolific, and so they are a great source because they will grow in abundance. And the more you trim them to use in your dye pot, the more you're going to get to have for your cooking. So although the color that we're going to get from the various kinds of herbs is relatively subtle, I'm going to show you how to play around with the color palette by using different kinds of mordants and modifiers in order to shift the color and create a wider range. So let's go snip some herbs and see what they will bring us in our dye pot. So, looks like I finally got the green in my dye pot. I absolutely love using iron as a modifier. I know that you need to be careful with iron, especially with protein fibers, but it really can make such a beautiful range of colors. And with these herbs, it gave us such a subtle yellow and very neutral color palette to be able to see those beautiful, rich, dark greens. It was pretty exciting. So I hope that you will consider potentially growing some herbs. I know I want to start an herb garden, maybe next year, and being able to really celebrate the color both in your dye pot as well as in your kitchen. So next time on Color Quest, I'm going to take you on a trip. I am headed to Holland and going to explore some flowers that are very prevalent in the summer in that landscape. I'm going to try a couple of different things with you while I'm there. I'm super excited to show you around. I'm just plain excited to go. And there is a wonderful Dutch artist who has been very inspiring to me. And she actually has studied how the use of herbal dyes can be medicinal in the clothing industry. She has written 2 books, one on seaweed as a dye, as well as one on herbs as a dye. Both of these books have been influential to me, so join me next time in Holland, and we will enjoy the summer flowers and play around with some different ways to create beautiful things from the amazing colors that nature is willing to share with us. Would love to have you subscribe, and if you know anyone who's interested in natural colors, sustainability, or repurposing, send them this way so that they can join our community here at Color Quest, where we're exploring all the amazing things about natural color. Pretty remarkable, that range, isn't it? Are you kidding me? Garage door opener.